In this demonstration, we are going to cover the gallery function. Select Gallery at the bottom right of the display. This will display the folders that you have saved in the gallery. Select Albums. This allows you to sort the folders by albums, location, times, people, and tags. To view the content of the folder, select the folder. Once the folder has opened, select Grid View. This allows you to change the folder from Grid View to Film Strip View. If you would like to edit any of the files, select the Edit tool at the bottom left of the display. This will allow you to add filters, as well as crop and rotate your file. Select Save at the top left of the display once you have made your edits. There are two ways you can select a folder. The first option is to press and hold on a folder until it is outlined in blue. From there, you can select as many folders as you would like. This gives you the option to delete multiple folders at once. The second option is to select Options from the top right of the board. From there, you can select as many folders as you would like, also giving you the option to delete as many folders at once as you would like. Select Done when you have finished working with your folders.